All right, looking at this question, number 8, the solubility of potassium nitrate at 20 degrees Celsius is 32 grams per 100 grams of water. How many grams of potassium nitrate will dissolve in 250 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius? So first of all, what we should know is this: 32 grams will dissolve in 100 grams. Okay, and now they're asking us how many gram, we don't know, x will dissolve in 250 gram. So what do? We cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we have x times 100 gram equal to 32 gram times 250 gram. So now we are looking for x. So we divide here by 100 gram, divide here by 100 grams. So what do we now have? So we have over 100 gram over 100 gram. Gram cancel gram, 100 cancel 100, then gram cancel this gram, and then 32 times 250. So x is equal to 32 times 250 give us 8,000 gram over what? 100. So x is equal to what? 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. We're left with what? 80 gram. Therefore, 80 gram we dissolve in 250 gram. Is that clear? So this is one way to what? Solve this. Now let's show us another way to solve this particular question. Now another way to solve this question is, now they said 32 gram is equal to 100 gram. Is it not so? And maintaining that law that says law of conservation of mass, energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another. Or matter can neither be created nor destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another. 32 gram is in 100 gram, right? So if 32 gram is in 100 gram, that means half of this, okay, half of 32 gram will dissolve in half of what? 100 gram. What that means is this: half of 32 gram is 16 gram, and it will dissolve in what? Half of what? 100 gram, which is what? 50 gram. Following the law of what? Conservation of matter, or conservation of what? Mass. Therefore, 250 gram of water, which they're asking us how much of what? Potassium nitrate will dissolve in, is equal to, we have 100 gram plus 100 gram plus 50 gram. Those are the parts of the water that make up 250 gram, right? And we know that in 100 gram, we have 32 gram dissolving, is it not so? So in 100 gram, we have 32 gram of potassium nitrate dissolving plus 32 gram of potassium nitrate dissolving plus 16 gram of potassium nitrate dissolving. So therefore, in 250 gram, we will have how much of potassium nitrate dissolving? 32 plus 32 is 64. 64 plus 16 is what? 80 gram. So therefore, 80 gram of KNO3, that's potassium nitrate, we dissolve in 250 gram of water. So this is another method to solve this question. Let's look at a third method of solving this question. Now the third method of solving this question: mass dissolved is equal to what? Mass dissolved now is equal to what? How do we do that? You say the mass, okay, that they gave to us, 32 gram, mass of KNO3 times the mass of the water, 250 gram. Mass of water all over 100 gram. So what do we have? So we have mass of KNO3 is what? 32 gram times the mass of the water, 250 gram, all over 100 gram. Gram cancel gram. So 32 times 250, we have 8,000 gram over 100. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. So we are left with what? 80 gram. Okay, so we have succeeded in showing you three methods or three ways that you can attempt to solve this question, or that you can derive the solution to this what particular question. So let's move on to the next question, number 9.